Steve's work ethic is outstanding. He's dependable, he's dedicated, he sets a high standard with his dedication.
He is one of the most caring individuals I've ever come across. He's one of the most professional individuals I have ever come across. And he is extremely supportive of our staff and our students for the betterment of our educational facility here and for a better educational environment that we have here at Stoughton High School.
The district is always at his forefront, and that is just apparent in his everyday move.
He does a fantastic job, and he has my highest recommendation, not only as a custodian and professional, but as a human being.
He is student and staff oriented. He's consistent, he's caring, he's realistic. He handles the issues with a realistic attitude. Steve is able to diffuse an unhappy customer or a situation.
He goes above and beyond. Every instance we have here, it doesn't matter if it's the detail of making sure we have a safe and clean environment, or if it is helping in a crisis situation. Stephen is an ultimate professional, and that is why he deserves this award beyond belief.
His reliability, his dependability just gives everybody that ease when they come into school.
When other visiting schools come to our school, they constantly will say, wow, this is it's like a brand new school in here. What's the situation? The school was built in 1967. So if that explains to you how much effort and energy our team puts in, and Stephen leading that team, that sums it up quite well. So, Stephen, thank you for everything you've given us.